Greetings! In this video, we're going to look at sides and diagonals of polygons. So let's bring up a list of some of the more common polygons that we tend to see. And remember, polygons are just shapes with straight line segments for sides. So here's a list of some common polygons and the number of sides. So a pentagon has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6, a heptagon 7, octagon 8, nonagon 9, and decagon 10. Now those are some of the polygons above the even more common ones that we see, which are triangles and quadrilaterals. But these are the ones that have the gon ending, and they're a little less common than triangles and quadrilaterals. And let's bring up some pictures of examples of these various polygons. So here we have a triangle with 3 sides, a square in this case with 4 sides, which is a quadrilateral, and then we come into the gons. Here's the pentagon with 5 shapes, the pentagon with 5 sides, the hexagon with 6 sides, heptagon 7 sides, octagon 8, nonagon 9, and decagon has 10 sides. Now, there's also diagonals to talk about here. And remember, a diagonal is a line segment connecting 2 vertices in a polygon. So, for instance, in this pentagon, we could draw a diagonal like that. We could draw another one like that, and yet another one like that. And of course, a nonagon, jumping down here, would have more diagonals. I'll just draw some of them here. Now, there is a formula for knowing how many diagonals will be in any given polygon, given the number of sides. And that formula is the number of diagonals is equal to the number of sides times the number of sides minus 3 divided by 2. So if we went up to this pentagon that I started drawing some diagonals on, and we asked how many diagonals were there, we would just put the number 5 in for n, and we'd get 5 times 5 minus 3 is 2, divided by 2 equals 5 total diagonals. And you can see I've already drawn 3 of them. Let's see if I can get the other ones. There'll be one from here to here, and one from here to here. What if someone asked you how many diagonals are in a 20-sided polygon? Well, we would just put in 20 for n. Over 2. Now I'm going to cancel the 2 out of that 20 and make that a 10. And then I'm just going to get 10 times 20 minus 3 is 17. And that's going to be 170. So a 20-sided polygon has 170 diagonals. Okay, some information about polygons, the number of sides, and the number of diagonals based on the sides, and some of the common polygon names. And I'll see you soon.